This video is about the chi roll, same time chi roll with the palms up. This is a demonstration just here of the staff rolling away from you, or rolling forwards as some people say. The prerequisites of this is a one-arm chi roll rolling away from you with both hands, with palms up, and also rolling towards you, both hands, palms up. This action of having the staff on 2 points of contact, rolling down your arms at the same time, is extremely important to have some techniques to be able to do something with this. Lots of times the staff will land on your arms like this and it's rolling towards your hands. What do? You can just do a few beats or rotations of this same time chi roll to give yourself some thinking time of what you're going to do next. You could be doing some kind of trick and the staff is floating around and then it comes out and it ends up in this position here and you're like, oh wait, what do I do? You can do a couple of beats of the same time chi roll, think, okay, what am I going to do next? Drop the DragonStaff. What we want to do now is learn the hand positions. So for staff rolling away, we roll staff. Drop our arms down, palms up. We do a double palms up rotation here. At this point, it's very important to get your elbows out to the side, bring your hands down by the face, down towards the ground and extend out, and then drop those shoulders, opening the palms out. Around, elbows out, shoulders up, down through the middle, extend out, palms up. Around, elbows out, lift the shoulders, drop and out. Now with the staff, drop those arms. As the staff gets close to the wrists, swing your palms out, up. Staff goes over your palms, back down your elbows, drop your hands through the middle and out. Elbows nice and close together here. It is a little bit awkward. Lift your elbows up high to give the staff a place to roll down. Swing your hands past your face as your elbows pop out to the side, giving the staff a platform to roll on. Swing out, elbows out, down. It's very important to get these elbows in here and then outwards here. So you can see how my elbows are pointing outwards and then down, and then out to the side and then down. As this can be a little bit tight, it's very important to get these elbows out to reset the balance point of the staff. First, we'll learn the position for rolling towards us with our hands this way. We start in this position with our elbows pointing forwards and our shoulders raised up high, so you're shrugging with your shoulders. Leading with the blade of your hands, palms up, around to the outside, elbows out, shoulders up, swing down. Now your elbows point down towards the ground as you lift with the blade of your hand. Shoulders relax, bring around with your palms, come down to the point down to the ground with your hands, elbows go out to the side, shoulders shrug up, catch with the blade of your hand, swing around, palms up and down. So the most important thing here is to note the position of the shoulders and elbows. So here, relax shoulders, elbows pointing to the ground, shrug the shoulders, elbows pointing out to the side. Relax, elbows to the ground, tensed, shrugging shoulders, elbows out to the side. Now with the staff. We'll start in this position here again. So here, shoulders shrugged, elbows out to the side. Lift your elbows up so the staff rolls towards your hands. Blade of the hand, palms up, elbows out to the side, sweep down, pick up the staff with your hands. And sweep. Remember, elbows out to the side, shrug the shoulders, pick up with the blade of your hand, sweep out with your palms up. This can be a little bit awkward when you first try it. And now we'll speed it up a little bit. We can speed it up by raising our arms higher. And we can slow it down by dropping our arms a little bit closer to the ground. Raise them up higher, and we can gain more speed. Now some variations. We can do the full arm, feet wide apart. It's very important to keep your feet wide apart, and you can raise your arms all the way over your head, lean backwards, roll the staff down your front. We can also extend it very far away from us, make it a bit more of a linear thing by reaching out forwards, keeping our arms or elbows pointed to the ground, make things very vertical, going over our fingertips.